I did believe in vaccines.
About 6 months after Dana Giroux gave birth to her third child, Noah, she sensed something was different. Medical tests, she says, determined that Noah, now in his 20s, was born deaf and blind.
His brain never formed the connections, never formed those areas to actually take in sight or take in hearing.
Dana says when she became pregnant with Noah, a doctor told her that she needed a vaccination for measles, mumps, and rubella to increase the antibodies in her blood. She remembers having a severe reaction, but was told it was normal and not to worry.
They don't want to say it's the vaccine necessarily, but, you know, they say things like, I would find it hard to believe that the vaccine wasn't somehow involved.
Some have doubts about safety.
We don't know, okay? And we continue not to look.
Tim Eisenhower says 2 of his children were immunized and suffered high fevers. He was told that's one of the side effects.
My 2 kids ended up getting diagnosed as autistic.
That's led Tim to question the safety of vaccines and the way clinical trials are conducted.
Having the people that develop vaccines also be the watchdog is a recipe for disaster.
You've never had a medical professional or a doctor or anything be able to kind of lay it out for you and say, this is the reason it happened. They can't point to anything specific.
No doctor will do that.
Ever.
Okay,
No?
ever. No doctor will ever do that.
My main concern is the religious exemption being taken away.
Minister David Mohammed
It's a slippery slope.
is another parent impacted by the state's move to shut down the religious exemption.
My concern is this, this erosion of civil liberties, erosion of parental rights, and the ability to be able to choose.
But like a lot of things, vaccines are not 100% effective, and injuries do happen. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, like any medical intervention, vaccines also entail risk.